Cadillac Queen, y'all hear me knocking? Well, let me in. So y'all can see, I got the transmission drop. I'm in the back of this engine. Back of it. L6 engine, 4100 Cadillac engine. Transmission is a 204R. A 204R right here. Overdrive, 4-speed. Hydromatic. YouTube, I finally got a drive. Top boat took me forever. Alright, YouTube, these are how my boats look. They was real short. They look stripped out at the end, but it looked like it got threads. But the new ones I got is longer than that. So I don't know if these was the wrong boats or what. But alright, YouTube, as I get farther, as y'all can see, I go to flywheel too. Show y'all how these flywheels stripped out. Y'all see those holes? Shit, this shit bent as shit. Look at that, every single one of them. Probably because those was the wrong boats. Alright, YouTube, got a little transmission drop. I'll cut y'all back on once I move farther. Alright, we out, YouTube.